I thought we controlled the game. They didn't really make any clear-cut chances. They had one in the first half that from a set play, but out from free play, I don't think he created one chance. I don't think our goalkeeper made one save. So I think we can control the game, but yeah, like we say, a little bit disappointing in the end, but it's a point well gained for us.
3 games in, we do need, we need wins really. But in terms of performance today, I was happy with that. They're a good side, they're on a good run. Could argue they're the form team certainly in the bottom 6 at the moment. And it was a tough challenge, and I thought we more than matched them.
Not the prettiest goal he'll ever scored, but potentially a very important one.
Strikers don't care. Honestly, I'll take anything. If it hits my face and goes, and I'll take it. I'll score 30 yards, I'll take it. More importantly, we've got the point, and Scrappy goal or not, we needed that point.
The situation we've been in is far from ideal. 6 senior players have left during phase 1, or the end of phase 1, and we've had to replace them with new players. You're trying to integrate new players on the job, really. But they've come in and they're good players, and I feel they're settled pretty quickly. A couple of them need to get a little bit fitter. We've got Raheem coming back in next week, which will give us a big lift. As you saw in the Britain Ferry games, he's a difficult player to play against, gives us a different type of threat up front. So, as I say, difficult situation, but I think that the last 5 performances have been pleasing. TNS, Penabon, and the 3 games in phase 2. I think we've looked really solid and should have got 3 points out of Britain Ferry and maybe could have nicked something today.
With Connors Key losing this afternoon, that point now actually takes you 8 clear in that race for the 7th spot, the all-important 7th spot. You're nearly there, almost, with 7 games to go.
We'll treat every game as it comes. We've got 2 important games coming up against Connors Key soon, so they'll be vital. We can't lose any points to them. So we know we're nearly there, but we won't take that. We'll concentrate, and until it's mathematically impossible for them to catch us, we'll keep on going.
We're taking one game at a time. Honestly, we're not looking past the next game, and that's the way we've got to take the next few games. Like you said, everyone is a cup final. I think if that's the way we look at it, we're not putting no pressure on ourselves. We can't control what happens away from this club. All we can control in what we're doing. And I said, Abbas is the next biggest one, and we've got to get a positive result against them.